and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have a wonderful song here from Simi featuring Fave called Loyal. So, great song and very addictive to play as well. We have this melody and the chord progression with the strumming, if you wish, that goes round and round through the entire song. So let's look at that. No need for any cape on this one. We have 3 chords to learn. So the first one will be A sus2. So you get this kind of open feeling here. It's the open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. That's the A sus2. The next chord will be B sus2. It's basically the same, but with a bar now. The bar set here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D and 4th on G. So it looks the same as A sus2, but with a bar here on 2nd fret. And the last chord will be the C sharp minor. So we move up the bar here towards you to the 4th fret. So still from the A string and down. And the rest will be 6 on D string, 6 on G string, and 5th on the B string. There you have the chord and chord progression: A sus, B sus, and C sharp. All right, let's look at the melody first. The A sus part goes like this. So you hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play open A, second D, open B, second G, second D, and then open B, second G, and second D. Slowly like this. Then you go to the next chord, which is the B sus2 chord. You hold it as it is, and you're gonna play just 3 notes from the chord. Okay, so that will be the 2nd on A string, then 4th on D, and 2nd on B. And that's it. And then you go to the final chord, the C sharp minor chord, and you hold it as it is there as well, and you're gonna play this part. So you're gonna play 4th on A, 6th on D, 5th on B, 6th on G, and 6th on D. So together it sounds like this. So that's a melody you'll have with you through the entire song, but you can also choose to play this with the standard strumming. So with that, we're going to look at the strumming pattern. And the A sus chord, the first one, you will play 1 full round of it, and the other chords you will divide it into 2 parts, this strumming. So it's divided into 2 parts. I'm going to show you how 1 full round sounds like with the A sus chord. So it sounds like this. So the first part will be down, down, up, clap. So down, down, up, clap. And the second part will be down, down, up, clap, down. So it's a long break after this first down here in the second part, and then comes down, up, clap, down. parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. A couple of rounds. So with that, we're gonna play the chord progression with A sus2 chord, one full round, and then you go to the B sus, you play the part 1, the down, down, up, clap, and then immediately you change to the C sharp and play the part 2, down, down, up, clap, down. And that will be one chord progression round. So it goes like this. That is one round. And a couple of rounds sounds like this. And that's it, my friends. Simi, loyal. So good luck with this one and play tuned.